Today we're doing titrations, and a titration is performed in order to determine the concentration of an analyte in a solution. You need to know the initial volume in your burette, the concentration of your solution that is in your flask. For the experiment, the burette must be rinsed 3 times each with water and solution. Because the graduations are to the 0.1 milliliter, you need to report the volume to the 0.01 milliliter. So okay, so the initial volume is 0.2 milliliters. And now we are going to start to perform the titration. And all you're going to do is you're going to release a little into the solution. And as you're releasing, you need to be swishing the solution around so that it mixes well. Keep releasing until you reach your end point. Okay, so this is your end point. It's reached its light pink state, and we're going to record the final volume, which looks like 27.9 milliliters.
The first thing we need to do is calculate the initial volume in our burette, and in our case, it's 0 milliliters. To perform that titration, you must release a little bit of the solution from the burette into the flask, a little at a time. And swirl it around in the solution so it gets mixed up. Make sure you're adding very slowly because you don't want to get too much. You want your concentration at its endpoint. It will be a light pink. You want it to stay at the endpoint for about 30 seconds so it maintains that pink color. If it doesn't, then you need to add a drop until it maintains that pink color. And it looks like I've reached my endpoint. So now I'm going to take my final volume. Our final volume is 25.7 milliliters.
So the initial volume in the burette appears to be about 0.2 milliliters. So I am adding sodium hydroxide to the flask until it turns pink consistently. You can crowd it. So there's a little bit pink. And here it's pretty pink, so stirring it up to see if it stays pink. And so now it has stayed pink, so it's probably about at the equivalence point. And the equivalence point appears to be about 44.55 milliliters. The initial volume for our third trial is 0.0 milliliters. I'm now going to slowly add some of the solution to our flask. I'm going to switch it around as I do it to mix it. And we have now reached our end point, and our final volume is 44.10 milliliters.